Hello and welcome to WeLearn, Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 4 of Talent Management and the chapter is Talent Management Process. Topics to be covered are Introduction, Talent Management Process, Importance of Talent Management Process, Important Steps to Assess Talent Management Process, Stages of Talent Management, Essentials of Talent Management Process. Introduction. All the big organizations consider the talent management process as an in-progress, holistic and proactive exercise. Internet-based talent management products are supporting this thinking in a number of ways. The best solutions are helping in the development of tired and pre-qualified talent pools to turn to a longer-term, continuous and proactive relationship, building exercise for both internal and external talent. Talent management is related to all the components of the workforce, both inside as well as outside the organization, but it is focused more on the internal part. Talent management process, succession management is the undermining process of analyzing, developing, and effectively utilizing the talent to meet business needs. It involves a particular process that compares current talent in a department to the strategic business needs of that department. Results lead to the development and execution of corresponding strategies to address any talent gaps or problems. Following are the processes for talent management and workforce planning. Organizational assessment. An organizational assessment is the evaluation of organizational factors in the internal environment which affects the competitive situation. An organizational assessment is a process of taking steps to reflect and analyze the various functions within the organization. Organizational effectiveness and employee development occurs when there is a firm alignment between individual interests and organizational needs. An assessment of an organization includes the following steps. First is review of strategy and key challenges. Here, the constructive analysis about organizational strengths, opportunities, and challenges is done. This discussion sets the organizational framework for considering the workforce development. Second is environmental scan. In addition to the review of strategy and challenges, organizational departments can perform a more detailed strategy review. An environmental inspection reviews the current and changing client requirements and requests for services. Third is workforce analysis. It is a systematic process in which an organization identifies the critical jobs and competencies needed for the current and future employees and develops strategies to overcome any gaps. So basically, workforce analysis is a systematic process in which an organization identifies the critical jobs and competencies needed for the current and future employees as well as strategies to overcome those gaps. Its main priority is using information to obtain an overview of the workforce and targeting talent management initiatives which are given as A. Identifying critical job roles for analysis and planning. B. Reviewing knowledge, skills, attributes needed. C. Determining employee population for review. And last is gathering demographic information. Talent review. A talent review is a process to involve more senior business executives in sharing and analyzing talent information, mostly part of an overall succession management process. Compared to talent alignment sessions, talent reviews present a chance to discuss talent at a higher level of depth and focus. It provides an overview of how to encourage a discussion of key talent in the given ways to identify readiness and potential for future assignments or positions, review possible succession plans, determine strengths and development needs of employees. Development planning. Development planning refers to the strategic quantifiable goals that a person, organization, or agency plans to achieve within a certain amount of time. It deals with the implementing development activity in the organization after the talent review. Importance of talent management process. The functioning of a talent management process is clear and reasonable process which is used to create an atmosphere for people to develop their skills in training, thereby preparing the organization for changing roles. Particularly, the talent management process provides a lot of benefits to employees, managers, and the organization. Some of these benefits are given below. Employees develop and communicate their career paths. Managers and senior management develop a greater knowledge of the talent in their organization. Company HR problems are identified and addressed, which are workforce career growth, range of goals in recruitment and retention issues in important roles. Talent management process. Career development comprises not only promotion but also includes a chance to learn and experiment. Talent management is profitable for those individuals who are outstanding in their field by providing them with tools and processes to learn, develop, and remain completely engaged. Individuals get regular and sincere feedback on both their performance and their capability. Through encouraged discussions, managerial interaction, and participation in programs for highly talented individuals, which sometimes include close relationship with the CEO and top management, they get more opportunities to be proactive in shaping their career with the organization. Talent management is significant for HR because it puts an individual in a more central business role rather than in an administrative or backstage role. Conducting talent reviews or talent analysis provides an opportunity to show the understanding of an individual to the important business issues and the human resource requirements for business success. Important steps to assess talent management process. The best initiative for developing a talent management strategy is an evaluation of the current strategy and operations. The talent management process provides a proven structure for helping to understand the talent management and its effectiveness in supporting the business goals. Strategic talent management includes decision creation as it is implemented to an organization's talent resources, appraisal and testing of qualities such as abilities, personality, core job related skill dimensions, and future development needs. Important steps. The assessment of talent management process covers three main phases, which are given as discovery, analysis, recommendation, promotional assessments, and talent development. Applying talent management. In talent driven organizations, the potential in discovering, developing, and deploying talent allow everyone in the organization to identify and cultivate talent in ways that enhance performance. In a talent powered economy, talent based organizations realize that while top management and HR involvement are vital, a talent mindset and capabilities must be incorporated and sustained throughout the organization. A successful talent management strategy promotes prosperous development of the talented, and in this way, employees' talents are fully used and developed in a way that benefits the organization and the individual. The talent strategy is likely to work best when learning is given more importance, with abundant chances for growth and career improvement, and a supply of people ready to fill appropriate positions. Some of the features of successful talent growth process are given. First, a firmly contained learning customs with more priority on a partnership approach to development and career management. Next, a good open communication with regular performance feedback. Next, a performance management process which identifies and develops potential and incorporates into organizational strategy. Next is a constant focus on the future by connecting strategy with talent development. Next, align management being actively involved in planning and building for the future. Investment in talent development is for the future. No instant initiative is likely to become embedded. To encourage an atmosphere of development, it's required to work on defining and developing a desired organizational customs. Organizations involved in training for talent management may find themselves confronted with organizational issues. Moreover, the formal structure may not be compatible with the culture, and it can be difficult to find appropriate mentors who will provide their necessary time. Support available. To keep the talent management process in track, it's necessary to have strategic support, user adoption, continuous improvement, and measurable results. All of these support systems depend on an efficient reporting capability. The support systems are strategic support, user adoption, continuous improvement, and measurable results. Stages of talent management. Organizations today are more and more dependent on quality of individuals rather than quantity. Organizations that can outperform their competition in attracting, developing, and retaining the best talent have a distinct gain: lower costs, better productivity, higher quality, more satisfied and loyal customers, and higher financial performance. Talent management process mainly consists of three main stages in an organization. All stages involve top management, line managers, and employees to ensure an open, clear, and honest process. The stages of talent management. The talent management process banks on data provided by employees' career development plans. After implementation, it will become an annual process, which is a natural part of doing business. Talent management includes preparation, managing, and identification. Stages. First is preparation. The objectives of this stage are to make sure the departments are ready to commence the process and have the appropriate resources, framework, and materials to do so effectively. This stage is basically a preparation stage, but it is crucial to the business or success of the process. By implementation of planning, communication, and resource allocation, stakeholders will be notified to the principal, logistics, and result of the process. Key steps to be followed here are to determine departmental preparedness using associated tool. This will make sure that the department has information required to begin the talent management process. Second, address any inclination issues by developing and implementing strategies as required. Third is review strategic business requirements with senior management. This may comprise organizational business plans, long-term plan of action, the corporate human resource plan, and the functioning priorities. Fourth is allocate appropriate resources to the project. This may include a talent management manager who helps the top management throughout the process. Review talent management process and tools, modifying tools to the requirements of the department if necessary. Sixth is create planning materials such as a project plan and a communications plan and make strategic and administrative arrangements for the next stage of the process as mentioned in the project plan. Next is identifying talent. The goal of the stage is to recognize key positions and identify existing departmental talent. This is basically an information gathering stage. By collecting relevant departmental employee information, senior administration can make more knowledgeable decisions while addressing talent issues. 5 steps to be followed here are to apply a communication plan created in stage 1. This involves training of the process and assisting people to career development workshops. Second, identify the key positions in the department. This is best determined by using a tool that incorporates HA planning data, stakeholder input, and other organizational data. Next is create a knowledge and competency profile for each key position identified in the previous activity and introduce career development workshops for employees. These workshops will help employees through the career improvement process, allowing them to complete their career development plans that will be incorporated into the talent management review. Next is introduce coaching workshop for managers. This workshop should include instructions on how to talk to their employees about career improvement in their role in the talent management process. Next is encourage coaching to senior executives for talent review meetings. These meetings will allow managers to initiate the talent review process and discuss roles and responsibilities. Next is perform talent review meetings at the executive level. These meetings will focus on discussing employee development plans, overall performance, knowledge and competencies, then confirming condensed talent data in a spreadsheet. Manage talent. The goal of this stage is to identify and address gaps between active talent and critical business needs. This stage is the testing and action stage of talent management, where talent issues such as recruitment, retention, management, and culture and career development are identified and addressed. This is the stage where the solutions occur and where the value of the process is best established. Essentials of talent management process. Talent management process is an ongoing active process for evaluating the current employee performance in an organization so that action plans may be created to develop each employee to their full potential. Talent management consists of essential elements: assuring development and stability of leadership by thoughtful analysis of the availability, readiness, and development of internal talent to assume crucial priority leadership roles. Next is practical analysis and planning to ensure long-term strategic development and deployment of key leadership and other resources through efficient recognition, assessment, planning, and developmental action. Organization must conduct talent mapping before undertaking talent management process for identifying key talent and areas of present or future weakness in the organization. An evaluation model can be used constantly all over the organization based on key competencies and skills. A transparent structure for assessing and rewarding performance against individual, team, and organizational goals, and cost-effective use of training and education in priority or weak areas can increase productivity corresponding with the organization's business strategies. So basically, a talent is means of organized work and trained performance is achieved by giving early responsibility in significant areas of contribution to the business, showing early intelligent leadership roles and positions of responsible influence, having high value, high profile assignments, that is turning a business around, helping in specific profitability improvement projects, adopting cross-functional roles and new global roles, opening up a new business within the organizational boundaries, working abroad, failing, learning quickly, moving forward, and succeeding. Talented people in organizations perform better when they have confidence in the top management who value their contributions not by just words but by actions. Winning the trust of talented people is not a matter of quick fixes, slick, easily broken promises, or lip service. Commitment to talent management is a process which depends upon mutual respect and knowledgeable, intelligent leadership. So these are some of the questions. You have to do it yourself. Question number 1, explain the importance and benefits of talent management process and discuss the assessment processes involved in talent management. That's all. Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.